can't believe I have to be here on a Saturday. Just let go, it's a free fall. We're almost home, it's a free fall. We are gonna come together.